To use Afterpay on Square, you need to have a Square account and an Afterpay account. First, ensure you have the latest version of the Square point of sale app on your device. Next, go to the Square dashboard and navigate to the app marketplace. Then search for Afterpay and click Get Started. Follow the prompts to connect your Afterpay account to Square. Once connected, you will see Afterpay as a payment option in the Square point of sale app. To process an Afterpay transaction, ring up the sale as you normally would. Then select Afterpay as the payment method. The customer will then be prompted to sign in to their Afterpay account or create a new one. The customer will see the total amount due, as well as the installment plan, which is typically 4 equal payments. After the customer confirms the payment, the sale will be processed, and the funds will be deposited into your Square account. You will receive the full amount of the sale up front, minus any fees. It is essential to note that Afterpay charges a fee per transaction, which is typically a percentage of the sale amount, plus a fixed fee. You can find the exact fees in your Square dashboard. To minimize fees, it is best to encourage customers to use Afterpay for larger purchases. Additionally, you can promote Afterpay to your customers by displaying Afterpay marketing materials in your store or on your website. This can help increase sales and attract new customers who are looking for flexible payment options. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully use Afterpay on Square and provide your customers with a convenient and flexible payment option.